Welcome to this energizing sunrise morning breathwork practice. Whether it's the fresh start of the spring season for you like it is for me, or you simply need a little pick-me-up, this practice is here to awaken your body, clear your mind, and uplift your mood. We'll be practicing Kapalabhati, also known as skull shining breath, a powerful detoxifying and energizing Shatkarma technique, followed by a few rounds of Nadi Shuddhi, alternate nostril breathing, to bring balance and coolness back into the body. This practice is best done in the morning on an empty stomach, and it's quite heating, so if you're in a hot climate or tend to overheat, just listen to your body and modify as needed. It's also best practiced in a well-ventilated space, so maybe open up your window or head on outside if you can, feeling that sun on your skin. Just very quickly gaze at the screen to check out some contraindications. And if this practice isn't suitable for you today, maybe just try out one of my softer morning breathwork routines linked in the description box below. And if you're already familiar with this practice, you can use the chapters below to skip straight to the breathwork. But I always encourage listening to the instructions again the first time, since every teacher instructs differently. Okay, so now that all that is out of the way, let's just start by finding a comfortable seated position wherever your spine is tall and safe. Relax the face, the shoulders, chin parallel to the ground. Rest your hands on your knees in chin mudra, thumb and index gently touching. Close your eyes and just take a moment to settle in. And bring awareness to your breath. Don't change anything just yet. Just witness the natural rise and fall of your belly. Let's start off this practice by taking a few deep breaths. With these first breaths, just really feel the fresh, crisp morning air refreshing your body. Inhale deeply through the nose into the belly, up into the chest, and up into the neck. Hold at the top for a very short moment. And exhale fully out through the mouth with a sigh. And again, deep inhalation through the nose into the belly, chest, neck. And slowly exhale out through the mouth. And one more time, breathe in fully. Hold. And let it all go. So let's begin our Kapalabhati practice. Just a few instructions for beginners. This breath consists of an active exhale and a passive inhale. With each exhale, your abdomen actively pushes in and the inhale happens naturally. The focus is on the exhale, crisp, dynamic, while remaining steady. However, during the active exhales, just make sure that your awareness is on the space between the nostrils, rather than focusing on your abdominal muscles. If you are new to this, you can place one hand on your belly and one beneath your nostrils to ensure that the movement is coming from the right place, just below the navel. The muscles should stay engaged, but not so tense that you feel sore afterwards. We'll be doing 3 rounds of Kapalabhati, increasing the number of pumpings with each round, and between each set we'll practice a breath retention, an essential step that brings the body back into a state of rest and digest, moving us out of a state of fight or flight. And during these retentions, inhale only 3/4 of the way in and hold, keeping your focus on the abdomen to avoid any unnecessary pressure in the chest. And just simply follow the sound of my breath as we begin. Okay, just take a few deep breaths at your own pace before we start pumping, bringing lots of oxygen into your body and exhaling everything out. Do this a few times. And on your next inhale, breathe in fully and begin. Breathe in and release the breath. Inhale and exhale slowly and deeply for a couple of rounds. Now take one deep breath in, 3/4 of the way in, and hold here for 25 seconds. Keep your awareness on your abdomen to prevent any pressure in the chest. Feel the warmth building in your body, your inner sun, your fire. And slowly exhale out through the nose, very slowly. Take a few deep breaths at your own pace before we move on to the second round. And on to round 2. Deep inhale to start and begin. Breathe in and release the breath. Take a few deep breaths at your own pace. And deep inhale, filling up 3/4 of the chest, and hold for 35 seconds. Feel every cell of your body buzzing and just waking up. If you experience any intense pressure in your chest before the time is up, listen to your body and release. And very slowly release it all out through the nose. Take a few deep breaths before we start our third and final round. And final round, deep breath in and begin. Breathe in and release the breath. Take a few deep breaths at your own pace. Now breathe in 3/4 of the way and hold for 45 seconds. Notice the space, the presence. And very slowly exhale it all out. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Just take a moment to observe how you feel. Now let's balance out Kapalabhati's fiery nature with 6 rounds of Nadi Shuddhi, alternate nostril breathing, stabilizing this rise of energy. For more in-depth instructions, there'll be a link to a full guided video in the description box below. Just briefly check in with your alignment here before we start. Relax the face again, relax the shoulders again, maybe roll them back a few times. Spine is tall and safe. Make sure you're sat comfortably, no strain. And chin parallel to the ground. Now bring your right hand in Vishnu Mudra, fold your index and middle fingers in towards your palm, and let your left hand remain in Chin Mudra on your left knee. Let your breath be soft and gentle. Let it become like a flower. Now close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale deeply through the left on 4, 3, 2, 1. Now close the left nostril with your ring finger, release the right nostril and exhale through the right on 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 3, 2, 1. Close right and exhale left for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Final round. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now release your right hand back down to your right knee, letting it rest in Chin Mudra to match the left. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Just sit in stillness for a short moment. Simply noticing the effects of the practice. Do you feel more awake, more energized, more balanced? And while keeping your eyes closed, bring your palms in prayer position in front of your heart and take a moment to set an intention for the day or maybe the week ahead. It can be a simple word or a phrase, something that encapsulates the feeling you desire to cultivate for yourself. And now rub your palms together, creating warmth. And gently cup your palms over your closed eyes, letting this intention and this heat seep into the body. Then softly caress your face and your body, letting this warmth nourish your skin, bringing the sun's energizing qualities into the rest of your day. And when you're ready, blink your eyes open back to this moment. Thank you so much for sharing this morning practice with me. If you enjoyed it, I post new practices every single Sunday, so whenever you need a fresh start, you'll always have this place to return to. If you enjoyed this practice, feel free to like this video, leave a comment down below on how it made you feel, and subscribe if you want to practice more. Wishing you a warm, bright, and energized day ahead. Bye, guys. Can you hear this wind?